My God, so shiny.
No one cares. You hear that? It's weird, because it looks like you don't know what you're doing. Only seems to be guitarists that talk about it or indeed care. This is the Gary Busey scale. I've got the hi-hats in there as well, which could be a problem, but let's see. So it's not a G chord, you just don't know what the cage system is. If you ever visit a guitar forum, which I don't suggest you do, I use the 1mm thickness. There's no shame in asking dumb questions, by the way. You can play any note you damn well please. It's one of them dumb internet arguments. I have adopted, a relaxed seating position to try and amplify the fact that I do not care.
You can use it as a regular capo, but it's a pain in the ass.
And no, hair metal and thrash metal aren't diverse enough to count. So I'm going to reduce the volume on all of those because I think they're going to be quite loud. That's possibly so obvious I don't need to say it out loud.
So you should subscribe. Yeah?
Feel free to subscribe. If you don't hate me, then you should subscribe. When you subscribe, you also hit the bell icon. There's videos coming out every single week. Yeah, leave questions below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.